baraha.
Ay, ano yun?
O kaya, ganun,
Ano yun?
lasing. O, di wala talaga.
Andito na ako. Maniningil na ako.
Chat is a community leader in a railroad neighborhood in Sucat. She says residents here have been saving for some time now. In a few months, they would finally realize their dream of having their own piece of land.
Ano sa'yo? 20 lang ate. Sa savings lang mo. Saan kayo nagsimula ng savings?
Pag emergency, nakakatulong.
Second year high school, nag-iipon na siya para sa palupa dahil ang 25 square meters, ang pinaka-monthly amortization is 430. So, siguro pag katapos niya ng high school, kasabay din ang pagkatapos ng lupa niya. Okay, di ba? Ilang araw mo yung pinag-ipunan, Roy?
Hindi ko na mabilang.
Hindi niya mabilang kasi matagal na yung pinag-iipunan. Thank you.
Marami pa nang nag-iipon talaga dito.
Marami, makita mo mamaya, marami.
Ako, may mga barya-barya pa nga, pagkatindahan, mga barya.
Sabi sa'yo, pag umuwi ako minsan, sakit na yung balikat ko, puro barya ang ginalagay ko pa.
Under the program, the people are also taught to handle their community's needs and manage their finances. The amount may seem small, but once put together, their savings are substantial. This allows them to negotiate for their dream land. They know it won't be easy, but they are all in this together. To save is not enough. They also have to know the legal and technical considerations in acquiring lots. They undergo different training workshops where they assess their needs and the best strategies to secure land.
Kahit anong sabihin mo, kulang ang pera eh. Ito yung interest niya. Ibinta niya lang ito dahil dito. Hinabol namin ito. So nakuha namin yung installment niyo. Dahil dito kami pumusisyon sa interest niya.
They also visit other communities to learn from others' experiences and see how unity can help a community.
That's doon sa nakaka-afford at yung hindi makaka-afford, yung 50, hahatiin natin sa tigda 25 para duplex. Para maka-avail naman yung mga low income na families. Tao po. Maganda na siya. Tingnan mo.
The residents of San Isidro, Montalban came from Payatas. They were able to buy 3 hectares of land which was divided among 300 families.
Pero ang lupa ninyo, hindi pa tapos. Sige pa ang hulog ninyo.
Oo.
Magkano naman ang buwan?
Ano po? 300 po buwan-buwan.
Kayang-kaya. Bakit hindi? 300 lang pala eh.
There are 2 housing programs to choose from. The off-site housing program relocates people in high-risk areas to safer grounds, while the on-site housing program allows residents to purchase the land that they are in, so long as these areas are safe.
Nagkaroon kami ng ano tawag to? Yung bang yung as is where is eh. Kaya kung saan ka talaga, yun na lang, iniiwas na lang namin yung kalsada.
Nandito na kami sa Batasan.
Here in Bagong Silangan, more than 2 hectares of land were distributed among former residents of Payatas. They help one another build their houses as this was cheaper than hiring contractors.
Ilang taon na kayo dito, te?
1 year. Sa bahay na ito, 1 year mahigit.
1 year. So, hindi pa kayo nagbayad?
Nagbayad na kami.
Magkano bayad niyo?
Ano, 50 plus yung monthly na 200 a month.
So far, the Urban Poor Development Fund or UPDF has purchased land property worth 30 million pesos and spent 11 million pesos for site development. 15 million pesos to build homes around the Philippines, and another 6 million to fund small businesses. To make the UPDF work more efficiently, the CSF or Community-Led Shelter Finance Facility was created. It focuses on providing the legal, technical, and administrative mechanisms that facilitate the housing processes of urban poor communities. It also encourages changes in the community revolving around the right to shelter.
Makamura tayo ng pagpapatayo, tayo na ang gagalaw lahat. O, tapos tayo na maghukay sa harapan ng ating mga drainage. Yan.
Mga lalaki.
Hindi, nasusunod may ngipin na tayo pagkita. Ngipin!
This is the result of the community's collective effort to save. Their dream homes are now within their reach.
Karoon ng mga kanal, drainage system na iayos na.
But acquiring land is only the beginning. The community still has a lot of work ahead of them. From fixing their streets to reblocking or mapping out individual housing lots.
Ito yung part ng reblocking. Hanggang dito yan, ito yung area. So nung nagkaroon ng reblocking, nagkaroon ng implementasyon ng kalsada, kailangan niyang umurong. So nung inurong namin, kailangan namin siyang bigyan ng assistance, loan assistance para sa housing. So sa ngayon, ang sinasabi nga namin, tingnan nyo naman, naayos na yung kalsada, may drainage system na siya. Ito na yung part ng programa namin kung saan yung patubig. Ito po ay NAWASA, hindi yan deep well, kundi ito galing mismo sa NAWASA. Nagkaroon kami ng programa na doon sa programang yon, yung contingency fund ay ginamit namin sa pag-put up ng tangke ng tubig at saka yung structure, pinaglalagyan ng tangke.
The Asian Development Bank or ADB supported the improvement made in Golden Shower Payatas. It is expected that other nearby communities will benefit from this as well.